Hello and welcome back. This is Mr. FusionCoder here, and thanks for joining the Arduino course part 1 video. I hope you have seen the Arduino course launch video. If not, I will be giving the link down in the description box. You can go and check it out. So, coming back to the main video of today. So, today's video is going to be the part 1 of the Arduino course, okay? So, now some might have heard about Arduino and some might have. Okay, so I have made this Arduino course for beginners who have not heard, or even who have heard about Arduino but still don't know how to use it or how to work with it. Okay, so let's see what will we do in this course. You will learn basic Arduino programming, okay, like all the basics and a bit of intermediate level of Arduino programming, and you will be making creative DIY Arduino based projects with me. Okay, I'll be making videos of DIY projects based on Arduino. Okay, and you will be also able to do those with me. Okay, next you'll be able to attend quizzes based on Arduino. That will be the at the end of the course. When I finish the whole Arduino course videos, I'll be posting quizzes based on Arduino which you can attend and gain certificates from. Okay, now what will we do in this video, this part 1 video? We'll get introduced to Arduino, how to download the Arduino IDE, the compiler, get to know all the components of Arduino Uno. So we'll be basically focusing on Arduino Uno board except of the other types of Arduinos. Then we will get introduced to online Arduino simulator. I will just show you an online visual Arduino simulator which you can use if you don't have a real Arduino with you right now. Okay, I'll be covering that at the end of the video. Now, what is Arduino? So in simple words, you can say that Arduino is a hardware and software company. So it's basically a company which designs and produces single board microcontrollers for creating digital devices and projects. Okay, so this is the Arduino board, the Arduino Uno, for people who have not seen. So this is the one which Arduino company produces. It is officially designed and produced by Arduino. Okay, and this is the logo. Okay, now different types of Arduino boards. Okay, now Arduino doesn't only produce Arduino Uno, it has a large variety of different types of Arduino boards which it produces. For example, this is the Arduino Uno, the most popular one. It's like most basic, easy to use, and most like widely used one. Then we have Arduino Leonardo and Arduino Lilypad, Arduino Nano here, then Arduino Micro, and then we have Arduino Mega. So these are few examples. There are many like Arduino Zero and a lot more. Okay. Now, where had Arduino originated? So Arduino had actually originated in Italy. Okay, the first idea of Arduino was of Massimo Banzi. So basically, he is the co-founder of Arduino, and the actual idea of Arduino was his, and it was originated in Italy. Now, just I added a fun fact for you is that Arduino's name came from a bar in Ivrea, Italy, where the founders used to meet. So basically, it's named after a bar in Ivrea, Italy, where the founders, like Massimo Banzi and his friends, used to meet. So that was a fun fact of how did Arduino get its name. Now, we'll see how to download the Arduino IDE. Okay? Now, Arduino IDE doesn't work on Visual Studio Code or Tab 9 or Atom kind of compilers. It has its own IDE for compiling the program sketches for Arduino boards. Okay, so the Arduino IDE looks something like this. Okay, so I'll be showing you now how do we download it. Okay, so we'll be going to Arduino's official website and we'll be downloading it from there. Okay, so let's go. So yes, you can see this is the official website of Arduino C.cc. So this is the website where they give all the info, where you can buy Arduino boards and you can even learn Arduino. Okay, so to download, you should go to software. Okay, go to software, and then on the right hand side, you can see download options. It's the latest version of Arduino IDE. That's the 1.8.16. Okay, so you can click on Windows Win 7 and newer. Okay, so click it. Now you can even donate if you want to Arduino. They have an option of donating um, a certain amount of money. Okay, now you can close download if you don't want to donate. Now you'll see this downloading process happening here. Yes, so it got downloaded. Now click on it and it will be opening all the procedures needed. Okay, now here it will ask Arduino setup license agreement. You can click I agree. Then check that these all boxes should be selected. Okay, these all will be used later on while you will be programming your Arduino boards. So you should select all of them and then next. Now you can select any particular place where you want to save your Arduino app. I'll go with the default one. Okay, now browse. Otherwise, yeah, now install. Now it's extracting and it's downloading the Arduino app, so I have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, as you have seen, my download has completed. Now as it has been downloaded on your computer, you can click on close. Okay, now I'll just show you a small preview of the Arduino IDE. Basically, I won't be showing you the coding on Arduino IDE right now because I don't have an Arduino board either, like some of the people who are watching now. So I'll be showing you one website, as I said at the starting of the video, that I'll show you an online like Arduino simulator. Okay, so on that we'll code. Okay, till the time I get my Arduino. Okay, so now we will go, we'll write Arduino and go. Now it is opening, it's loading. Starting. Yes, so now we have the Arduino IDE. Okay, it's the latest version of 1.8.16. So you can see it over here. So these are the common writings. You will get it the first place. Okay, now let me show you the whole thing. Yep, I just pulled it up a bit. Now this is how you have some 5 options, that is file, edit, sketch, tools, help. So these are the tools. Later on I'll be explaining you in the upcoming videos. Okay, so this is what how you can download the IDE. Now let's go back. Now we finished downloading the Arduino IDE. Now we'll see about all the components of an Arduino board. Okay, so basically we'll just check about all the components, like all the parts of an Arduino board. Okay, so let's dive right into it now. So this is a diagram of the Arduino Uno board. Okay, not the other types of Arduinos. This is the basic one I took. Okay, now I'll start from the top. This is the USB port from where you connect your computer to the Arduino board. Like when you buy an Arduino, you will be provided with an USB cable. Okay, so you need to connect that to your computer and into this USB port, and the code will be transferred from the computer to the Arduino board through this port. Okay. Then we have the reset switch. So reset switch is actually used for resetting your code or the sketch which you have made. But remember, whenever you click on the reset, it doesn't mean that the code, the previous codes or sketches will be deleted. Okay, they'll stay in the Arduino, but you can reset and insert another new code. Okay. Then we have the RX and TX LEDs. Okay, these are type of indicators that the serial communication is taking place between your board and the computer. Okay. Then we have pin 13 LED. Okay, this is another indicator which is connected directly to the LED pin number 13. Okay, this is the pin number 13 is connected there, and whenever like the 13 pin goes high, this will turn on, and whenever the 13 goes low, this will turn off. That I'll be explaining you in more details in the upcoming videos. Then we have the ground pin, the PWM pins. When you can see, if you can see, there's a curly symbol before few of the numbers. That means that they support the PWM pins. Okay. Now you have the 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So basically the RX pin supports for 0 and the TX pin is for 1. Okay. Now this is the pins. These are the digital pins. Okay. Only up till 13. From 0 to 13 is the digital pins. Now this is the power indicator. What it does is when you supply power to your Arduino board or connect it through the USB port, what it will do is it will glow. The on button or the power indicator will glow. Okay. Now we have analog input pins. So these are the analog input pins. Okay. Then we have the power input. Then we have two ground pins towards this side, and then we have the 5-volt power output pin, and then we have 3.3 volts power input pin. Okay, this one is input, this one is output. Now this rectangle shape over here is the microprocessor board of the Arduino. Okay, so this is the heart of the board. This is the place where all the magical stuff of the Arduino coding takes place. Okay, and this is the last part is the bare jack or the power input, or you can call it the power jack. So basically you connect this with a battery connector or any charger, not higher than 12 or 15 volts, because the Arduino is a small kind of board, not a kind of laptop that can take up a lot amount of charge. So this is the power jack from where you power the like Arduino board. Okay, next I will show you the online Arduino simulator. Okay, so the website's name is Tinkercad. If you want to visit it, I'll give the link down in the description box. You can check that and you can use it because we'll be using that a lot in our upcoming videos. Okay, and I'll be even giving the link of the Arduino official website down. You can check all the links down in the description box. Okay, so Tinkercad, it's actually an online website where you can create the Arduino circuits and virtual codes and simulate them. You can use them like in real life. You'll have an Arduino board and it will be connected. Similarly, this works will be similarly done virtually. Okay, you can do it. So I will show you how to use it. Okay, let's go and check it. Now to use it, go to tinkercad.com. Okay, and then you'll come to the official website of Tinkercad. Have like you need to create an account. Okay, I already have an account created for myself, so you can create it. When you will see, you will have a sign up button, so you can create it later on. Then when you come to this page, you can go to circuits. Okay, we won't be using 3D designs, we'll be using circuits. Okay, now click on create new circuit. Okay, and here you go, you have the page. Okay, as you can see, I'll just make you familiar with the page where you'll be working on. Start simulation button is the button when you code. So this is the code place. Okay, so I'll be adding components, then you will see that there's a option to code. Okay, so that's why it shows no programmable components in this circuit. Then when you finish the code, you can click on start simulation. That means it will start working. Okay, and these are the parts. There are multiple like so many components like resistors, capacitors, polarized capacitor, diode, Zener diode, inductor, then input devices, then output devices, and then you have power devices like which give power like the batteries, and breadboards, microcontrollers, instruments, and integrated circuits, and like there are endless amount. Then connectors. Yeah, yes, so these are the things which are there, and there are a lot of devices, so we'll be using most of them after coming in the upcoming videos. Okay, now I want you to go here like search box and type Arduino board. So you can see here it says Arduino Uno R3. Okay, now click on it and you will get your Arduino board. Okay, now this is the Arduino board. You can see it looks almost real. You can use it over here. Okay, now this is how you can work. Now in the next video I will show you a very easy project, that is the LED blink project, which we'll be doing on Tinkercad. And so you might have to wait for the next 2 to 3 days, and I'll be bringing up with the part 2 video of this Arduino course, and in that you can see how do we actually use Tinkercad. Okay, so now you can see the code option has opened. Okay, you can either use it with blocks, okay, or you can do blocks plus text, okay, or you can do only text. If you're familiar, which one you're familiar with, you can do. This is the only text which we'll be mostly preferring, because in Arduino we don't use blocks. Okay, so this is how it will work. So this is what Tinkercad is. It's a very useful like website. Okay, now thank you for watching this video. I hope you loved it. I'll be bringing the next part of this video very soon. Till then, stay safe, happy coding, and bye.